Subtitles have become one of the most important parts of video editing in 2026. They improve accessibility, increase watch time, and help viewers follow your content more easily, especially on social media and YouTube. And with Adobe Premiere Pro, adding subtitles is easier than ever. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to add subtitles in Premiere Pro step by step. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and load the project you want to add subtitles to. If your video is not already inside the project, import the footage and place it onto the timeline. To access subtitle tools, switch to the text workspace at the top of Premiere Pro. This opens the transcription and caption panels. Now use the speech-to-text feature to automatically transcribe your video audio into text. Once the transcript is ready, review the text carefully and fix any spelling mistakes or incorrect words. After reviewing the transcript, click Create Captions to automatically turn the transcript into subtitles on the timeline. And honestly, clean and readable subtitles usually work better than overly flashy styles. Yeah, simple captions are often easier for viewers to follow. And that's your full guide on how to add subtitles in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create professional captions and improve your videos using Adobe.